Hello guys, so in this video I will teach you how to call someone for free in international number or local number. So first of all, you have to open a new tab in your browser. Then open a website named TextNow, link in the description. For Android user, use TextNow app link in the description or open the site in mobile browser. Then sign up or log in with Facebook or Google or Apple account. I signed up already, so I will sign in with Google. So wait for it to log in, and for first time it will ask for area code. Put USA zip code to get a number. Copy the number above. Open BlueStacks or any emulator. Install this app for mobile. It is available in Play Store. Just click the link in the description below. After open the app, click Continue button. You can use your mobile number too. Paste the number and click Next. Click Accept. Accept again. You will get a code in the site. Here, copy the code. Paste it here. Click Continue. So access contacts, allow. Access photos, allow. Now record or audio, allow again. Here is your credit. So here you can dial any number. You can see this is call log, and you can see your refill balance, auto refill, preferred network, language, supports, rates, and settings. To prove that it works, I will log out from TextNow website and log in with another account. So I will log out. So you can see I will log in with another account. So you can see from blah blah. So I will dial my own number. Okay, I will dial my own number. Two, three, one. So here guys, sorry I forgot. So here I am calling. You can see here incoming call. So it really works, guys. So that's all. See you in my next video, guys. So I hope you will
The text now
subscribe,
subscriber you are trying to reach is not available.
click the
Please
like
leave your message
button, and
after the
share
tone.
it if you want to. And bye bye.